Hey y'all, I'm Wendy and this is Pajama Days. I want to talk to you for a minute about, do you hear that? My ceiling fan is making noises. Gets a little scary sometimes. Sorry, I was distracted. I want to talk for a couple minutes about saving money because that is definitely a helpful life tip, whether you're in a difficult situation or not. Excuse me. If you happen to be an employee in a public school in the state of Georgia, state health benefit plan is multi-blessing. Insurance is necessary and helpful and all the things. But our insurance plan, our state benefit plan, offers things that are extra. And I don't know if all insurance companies do that. Maybe they do. If they do, that's awesome. But we can sign up to talk to a health coach on a regular basis and get incentive points that end up being money at the end of the year. So there are different things, different tasks that you can do to earn incentive points. One of those things that I do is talk to a health coach. One of those things that I do is a body mass index screening once a year that is done either at an annual physical or done by a nurse on site, like at school. And I always try to get that done because those are actually worth money at the end of the year. So at the end of the year, when it rolls over into a new year, whatever incentive points I have built up turn into cash. And I don't mean they send me cash. They do have options about how you get your benefit. I don't cash them out. I just leave them. And then in the new year, whatever I've accumulated, I get back as I buy medicine or pay a doctor copay. And right now I have 3 checks that I need to deposit into my bank. I usually do that online. And one of them is for $1.79. So big whoop. But I got a prescription that was $1.79. It's not a real expensive prescription. And when insurance processed my prescription, they sent me back the money that I paid because I had those incentive points in that account. So I have one in there that's for $35 because I went to the doctor and paid a $35 copay in January, and it sent me, I think it was January, it automatically sent me that refund back. So, I love that benefit. Is it convenient to talk to a health coach every month or every couple of months? Well, no. And honestly, they're supposed to call me after 4, but sometimes they don't. And if I have students, I don't answer. So, eventually they catch me when I'm available and we talk and they ask me questions and they offer, is there anything they can help me with? And sometimes they might help me set a goal, like maybe I want to make sure I'm eating extra protein and fewer carbs. Or maybe I need to concentrate on drinking more water. Or maybe I need to watch my steps and increase my steps and getting exercise. With fatigue, I'm not doing a lot of exercising. But when you teach school and you're in a big building, it's necessary to get in some steps. So that's helpful in that area. But I just wanted to throw that out there because I know that for years I ignored that health coach option. I was like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to be accountable to somebody all the time about, what I weigh and what I'm eating and all that. Are you being active? But when you get older and you start to actually see the changes in your body and health problems, then you're a little bit more willing to do the things. So if you have an insurance plan that offers you incentive points when you talk to a health coach, do it. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything, and it's beneficial in the long run, and then it pays you back later. I mean, it's a win-win. So that's one easy thing that you can do to help yourself along, whether you're a cancer survivor or not. I mean, you might just be a regular person who's not dealing with cancer at all. People are allowed to watch my videos who are not cancer survivors. So, if you never had cancer, that's okay. You can still watch. You're welcome. If you are a cancer survivor and you need encouragement in a certain area, please drop a comment and let me know. I'll be glad to interact with you and try to encourage you, because I know that sometimes it's overwhelming and you feel alone, and there's a sense of loss of control when you're constantly having to go to appointments and take medicine that has side effects that are unpleasant. You are maybe restricted in your coming and going as compared to used to whenever you lived a more normal life. And there are a lot of things that feel stripped away, and it's okay to get angry for a few minutes. It's okay to feel overwhelmed for a second. It's okay to cry it out if you need to cry it out. But also encourage yourself. You're going to get through it, and it's going to be all right. And you're not alone. You're not alone. You're not alone. So I had somebody reach out to me in I think it was last week, because they know somebody who has been diagnosed with cancer, and they want to do something for them, and they were kind of fishing around for ideas, and I hope that I was helpful in my response. I just want to be a blessing to others. If you need encouragement, I'll be happy to encourage you. If you need ideas to help somebody along who's in a cancer situation, I didn't have chemo, so I might not be able to answer questions about that. My grandmother did, so I was with her a good bit when she was taking chemo, and I might have limited knowledge about that, but not personal experience for myself. But anyway, I wanted to reach out, say hello, and offer something positive and something helpful. And I hope that this helps you make good choices about interacting with your insurance people when they're willing to give you benefits. I love y'all bunches, and I hope you have a blessed day.